Fleetwood Mac song, Never Going Back Again, is just a guitar part. It doesn't have drums or bass or anything, but it still has like a full sound, and it's still captivating. Like, how do you manage to do that?
That's the one with the acoustic guitar, like, going crazy, right? I actually read something about this that Buckingham had to restring his guitar every 20 minutes because the producer told him that that's what he wanted to, like, make it sound a certain way, and they just stacked the guitar like 50 times to make it sound so crazy. That's one of those, like, crazy stories, like producer stories, like, you know, the producer made me, like, run in the rain for, you know, an hour or something until I was shivering and then made me sing or something. I don't know if that happens anymore, but
you also have to be a great guitar player. Like, Lindsey Buckingham's a ridiculous guitar player, and what great guitar players can do is they can play the same thing 20 times exactly the same way. So take GarageBand, write a cool guitar part, record it 20 times on top of itself, and it'll sound massive. But you have to play it the same way every time. If you don't, it gets out of focus sort of sounding. It gets blurry. So that's what, it's multi-tracking. It's doubling and tripling and just stacking the guitars on top of itself. And you do enough of them, you do it with anything, drums, your voice, strings, it's gonna sound like a wall of sound.
And pan them out.
Yeah, pan them left and right and all over the place and do a ton of them, and you'll be amazed at how big it sounds.